दोस्तों फन सिनेमा में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपका पवन भारद्वाज। आज हम आपको ले चलते हैं मुंबई के सोफिटेल होटल में, जहां पर इको फ्रेंडली होली मनाई गई, फूलों की होली। अक्सर देखा गया है कि कलर से काफ़ी नुकसान होता है, पानी की बर्बादी होती है। आज यहां पर फिल्मी सितारों ने फूलों की होली मनाई, जिसे ऑर्गेनाइज किया था संजना जॉन ने। इस होली पर फिल्मी सितारों ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया और शिवानी कश्यप ने अपने गाने गाकर समा बांध दिया। आने वाले मेहमानों के अगर बात करें तो निकिता रावल, अनिल मुरारका और भी काफ़ी सारे सितारे वहां पे पहुंचे थे। सभी ने जमकर डांस किया। देखिए हमारी खास रिपोर्ट। आपने अगर हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब करें।
All thanks to this lady here. An amazing thought, which is important to the utmost core. कहते हैं जल ही जीवन है, and that's the reality of life. Every drop matters. जैसे हम ब्लड डोनेशंस की बात करते हैं, ऐसा समझो पानी डोनेट कर रहे हैं, वही तरीका है उसको बचत का नाम देने का। Like Sanjana ji just said about this bottle here, Bisleri also has come out with these lovely glass bottles. Banning plastic, which causes cancer. It's something great. हम सबका कर्तव्य बनता है, हर हिंदुस्तानी का, everybody in the world today, to pledge to save water. That's more important. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Fish. Dr. Fish, I'd like to say, getting this movement to India and Dr. Sanjana leading it and spreading the word so beautifully. And also on the festival that India really celebrates with so much of fanfare, love and warmth. What would you like to say on that?
Look, center, sir, yeah.
Just talk.
Good talk.
Okay, so this is a wonderful festival. It celebrates water, it celebrates life, and our foundation is Give Life Foundation. There's no better way to give life than to save water. Every drop counts. We have problems here in India, huge problems. Availability, quantity, quality, water management, getting the water from places where it is to where it needs to be. So there's a lot of work to do. I'm here from Washington, D.C. in the United States to see what I can do to help promote the cause. We have our own cause with promoting stem cell donation, but they're both twin pillars of life. So let's support this and give life.
Where do you rank India amongst several countries? Where do you rank India in saving water?
Well, India has a huge issue with water. With the next wars will be fought over water. Actually, it's a scarce resource. You need water, and eventually we'll probably have to go to other planets to look for it. So, thank you all very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shweta, you being part of such a wonderful event this afternoon, what would you like to say on Dr. Sanjana's initiative?
Just want to say thank you first of all for having me for this beautiful H2O movement. I believe we all need to save water, every drop, because it is the need of the hour. We have to do it because there's no life without water. And not only for us as humans, but even animals, trees, everything, nature needs water right now. आप माउंटेन्स में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे भी जो पानी है ना अभी बहुत कम हो गया है. इट्स नॉट देयर. सो इफ यू थिंकिंग कि ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट होंगे और पहाड़ों से पानी आएगा और हमें पानी मिलेगा, तो अभी वो भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि जितने स्रोत हैं वो सूख रहे हैं. So now we have to be very conscious and we have to make this effort that we don't waste water. So thank you for having me and let's all save water. Happy Holi! Happy Holi to all of you.
Are we rolling?
Ankita, we've seen that you've had a wonderful time today, celebrating Holi and this symbolic with dance and it's so much of your profession and Dr. Sanjana, this movement has worked a lot. What do you have to say about that?
I think now that you've mentioned that, also in my profession, what happens, we do a lot of shoots where we waste so much water just to get that one stupid shot, which doesn't even make sense. because you focused on the actor so much and the water was not even the most important part, but we ended up wasting so much. I think we should, as even whether it's me, each one of us, when we are also shooting, let's bring in better ways of saving water rather than using it and wasting it just to get that one shot of that effect. So also, since now she mentioned about my profession, there was a good thought that we should also start from where we work. So whether it's shoots, whether it's somebody in their own business, in their own kind of cafes, anything, everywhere, even in cafes, when we serve water. So I, also belong to a lot of restaurants and I'm very closely connected to the net. And when they serve water and people don't drink, then it just goes for a waste. We have to find ways to figure out how we put this together. Having said that, I was just thinking, itne baar, if we are going to talk about this, is it going to irritate somebody? Let it irritate. क्योंकि आप जितना बोलोगे, जितना आप ड्रिल करोगे, इट्स लाइक हम बार बार कोई चीज रील देखते रहते हैं ना, तो वही गाना सुनते रहते हैं ना, हाउ वी गेट यूज्ड टू, वी हैव टू ड्रिल इट इन पीपल्स हेड, नहीं तो नहीं होगा, बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव गॉटन चार्ज्ड अप, हाँ अभी हम पानी नहीं वेस्ट करेंगे, नाउ वी आर, but then that's it. Now once I'm out of it, it's going to go. We have to keep talking about it, and y'all are the right medium how we're going to get there. So please help us reach out, keep drilling it in people's head, and please don't forget about animals. Trust me, my heart goes out to them all the time. You have no clue what they go through. I mean, we try our best. I would also want to rescue as many animals, but it's one thing to say I've rescued, one thing is to really take care of them.
Yes.
You cannot just rescue and not give them the right kind of, living or whatever you call it. But least we can do is give them water.
Yes.
है ना, पानी तो हमको भी चाहिए, इंसानों को भी चाहिए, एनिमल्स को भी चाहिए, एवरीबडी, उनको पानी दे दिया करो, पानी ही, you want to make utilize of it, so that's I think the best way. Having said all of this, thank you so much. I know you're doing this today. I was just talking to your mother and I know that you're going to be traveling with this entire movement today, tomorrow, and that takes a lot of energy and courage, and thank you for doing this for all of us.
Thank you. Yeah, like she was just mentioning, हम तो जाके खरीद सकते हैं पानी, लेकिन बेचारा बेजुबान क्या करेंगे, ये एक बहुत सोचने वाली चीज है, तो कम से कम बचावट करना शुरू तो करो. Thank you.